Welcome to a small village in Assam where birds mysteriously fall from the sky. Every year, especially during monsoon nights, this strange phenomenon occurs. Birds suddenly plunge to the ground, crashing into trees and rooftops. Scientists are baffled. Fog, altitude, or light disorientation? No one knows for sure. Locals have lived with this eerie event for generations, caught between fear and awe. Is it science or something supernatural? What do you think is happening here? Follow for more.